Hello, my sisters. Today is Give Your Sisters a Dress. This one is worn on the hips. It's a little bit of a wiggle in the head, and it's got a flared part. There will be a way to escape. And this will be Tim's neck. Well, we're going to design this together today. With this model, my sisters will do it. The length of the shirt will be on the hips. So the length of the shirt here I will take is 55. 55. And our sisters will build a perpendicular line across. I'll get a shoulder line. Shoulder is equal to shoulder, divide by 2. That's equal to 32 divided by 2, which is equal to 16. It is down to 4 petrol. Then you will divide the necklace by 5. The measurement here is equal to 30 divided by 5, which is equal to 6. Then lower your chest here and I'll be your chest. Divide by 5 sisters plus 2. 80 divided by 5 plus 2 gives us 18. I took from the line above 18. Let's make a perpendicular line across. Then I will divide the chest by the chest. For myself plus 2. That's equal to 80 divided by 4 plus 2 is equal to 22. I took a root of 22. Then I'll take down the lower part. If you lower your waist, take 35 according to the measurement. Then you'll take it by the waist. Divide by 4 plus 2 by 64 divided by 4 plus 2 is 18. I took 18. I'll take my ass with my ass. Divide by 4 plus 1. 80 divided by 4 plus 1 is equal to 21. I got 21. Then I'll connect this road. In this part, you have to children. And then we build a perpendicular line down there. By 2 inches. Split in 2. Let's split it in half again. I can draw the armpit ring. After I drew the armpit line, then you'll start painting for the neck of the heart. Tim's neck is here, your back in 3 inches. I took this down to 11. This heart is round and it's flat, so you guys follow this path. Let's split it in half. I'll connect this road. You'll get your share of Tim here. And then here I'm going to go back 8 inches. You'll draw the vertical one. It's 4 inches up here. Down to the bottom is 16. So we'll get the front body of the shirt. If you look here, you will love this model. Like and comment, let me know. Thank you, my sisters. And here's the butt measurement. Waist measurement here. The bust size here is also the bust size. Neckline, shoulder line. These numbers will change according to your weight kojadi. Then you'll use a tape measure for you to measure. I will have a VIP video. In this channel, my sister doesn't know how to measure. We'll see how it's measured. Let me get these numbers. After I painted the body, I will continue for the next part. Back here, you're up to inches. I took down here 7. From the front armpit to the back armpit is 7 cups. Then the sister reduce the chest is a gasoline and the sister Ra's ass is a gasoline. If you are here, you will Here's to pumps on the thigh, and we'll get the back. Then, when we finish the design, I will cut this Arabic part. And you remember that Arabia doesn't have seams. I have to leave seams when I cut on the fabric. You cut from the front and back. It's like this. Then we're just starting to change the type for the back body. After you take raha, we will reduce 1 centimeter gasoline. And then after you've dropped a centimeter of gas, yes, you will go back to the waistline. Back to the waistline, then I'll split this in half. I'll take it down. This is 16. And we'll take it up from the horizontal 4. The distance from this line is 4. And then you'll be able to draw the bend part here. And this will be my back. Later, you will give a reason. Because this is a double fabric line. Then you'll do it for the body first. By drawing Tim's neck. Cut it. Cut the black line. The front armpit line is follow the black line. If you go to the front, you will cut along the black line. Then we'll get this is the front body. You also cut a body. Because this is going to be a double line. After you've done it, then we will cut for the part a sleeve. This shirt has a way to hang. You're going to close this part. So we'll draw the sleeves. Before drawing the sleeve part, I'll go back to the body. Let me draw the line. To cup. To cup here is to cup armpits. Here, you split in half and we're going to rotate. Well, we can cut what we don't want to cut. And it's the same here. They also split into two more. You will also cut the way to the cup. If you do that, this part will be extended. This one I stretched down and I cut it off raha. It's for the front and the back. It's got a way to go, ladies. And then after that we get the detox line. Then you will measure it for me. The armpit ring here I measured is 21. I can also measure 21. I'll take the lower chest. Lower your chest here, I'll take it. Divide by 10 plus by 5. 80 divided by 10 plus 13 for the year. Then you'll put this part aside for me. Outside the gasoline year. Then from here. You just took it down. Let me show you a paragraph of 13. Let's make a perpendicular line up. This is where paragraph 13 is, and I just found it. 21 plus 2, we get 42. If I divide by 2, I get 2. So you're going to take the number 21, which is here. Then split it in half. Then you split it in half. Then I'll take the long arm. This hand is 28. Now I take the door. From here, you hit me up. And this hand underneath it will hold you. So you're going to hit this part for me. If the door is here, you will take it with my biceps. From 13 to 15 depending. And this hand at the top of the hand is that it's going to get a little bit of a pinch. So this part I left 5 gasoline. Then you move this arm here. And I cut the sleeve. We're going to get a sleeve like this. I extended my hand. You will have front and back hands. In the front hand, I'm going to put in some gasoline. Down to a gasoline hand first like this. And this sleeve, you can see below. It has a bed and a stack. Here I will I'll always let you imagine. After you cut it, we're done with the door. Right, you guys put this in here. Then I'll take this sidewalk. Take back this horizontal line, and down here you'll open up to me. And give me the length of 12 petrol. And its extension from this road. Write down, I'll give you 7 petrol. 12 here is this. You're going to go down to 13.5. Take this and we'll bend. That's where we get the extended arm of the curve. And the piece above, you just need put it in half like this. And it's going to follow this arm. And it's going to have, well, a shorter length. The length of the cure hand is the gasoline year. Then we cut through. Just cut this line. Then we can cut it. The sleeve, it's got a layer in it. You are also lucky into classes. And then we sew this arm in. Then you will get the part. The sleeves are like the picture. I opened it up for you to observe. Here we will get the same hand pattern. Then here's the whole model. Front body, back body, and sleeve of this dress. Then if you like this style, remember to like it. Thank you. Hi, see you all.